Namaste Karnataka, welcome to TIDI Academy Post Market Analysis. As we can see in Nifty chart, there is around 123 points of gap down. Why this gap down? Because Nifty IT sector, Nifty due to IT sector. Why there is a fall or fall which has happened in Nifty IT means because it is due to Nasdaq. When Nasdaq falls, so Nasdaq fell around 2% on yesterday. So that triggered the Nifty IT to fall. So the weighted stock in Nifty IT is Infosys and TCS, that affected to Nifty chart. So because of that, so we can see 123 points of gap down which was happened, and after that we can see one complete downtrend which was happened. So it took previous 2 days low, which is around 19,700. This is the very important support level that will act for further days. So on tomorrow, means on Monday, if Nifty opens flat and if it breaks this high level, so which is around 19,850 level, we can see further up move by breaking another level which is around 19,880. If it breaks these two resistance levels, we can see further up move in Nifty, or else if it opens flat and if it breaks this low, we can see further downside movement. So 90,700 which acts as very important support level on Monday. So we have to check where the market opens on Monday. So according to that we can take the trades. Now we come to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty halted at the higher levels only. As we can see, one movement which was happened and which took the support level which is around 45,950. So due to Nifty drag, even Bank Nifty also fell today. So on Monday, if it opens flat and if it breaks this higher level, so which is around 46,300, we can expect further up move in Bank Nifty chart. So or else if it opens flat and if it breaks this level, so which is around 45,900, by doing price action we can see further downside in Bank Nifty also. So now we come to Fin Nifty chart. So in Fin Nifty also it halted over there and it made a double top formation. So from where the level which has fell from particular index or it can be a stock, and if it comes to the same level and if it rejection which happens at that particular higher level, we call that one as double top. So after that it took the support of the previous day one swing, so which is at 20,500 level. This will act as support level for Monday for the Fin Nifty. So on Monday, if it opens flat and if it breaks this high level, so where the double top which has formed which is around 20,640 level, we can see further up move in Fin Nifty, or else if it opens flat and if it breaks this support level which has formed today, we can see further downside in Fin Nifty. So now we will check which are the stocks which has dragged the market downside today. So as you can see in like the how many points that has fell in NSE website. So here Infosys is there at the topmost level, so which fell around 7.73% today, including gap down also. As you can see in TCS and Reliance, which fell around 2.5%. So these are all the weighted stocks which comes under Nifty. whenever these weighted stocks falls, even Nifty also falls. Now we go to stock information. So now we will check with Tata Motors. So Tata Motors is making one complete sideways movement. So which is around the levels. If it talks, the resistance is 630, and from the lower side the support is 610. On Monday, if it breaks any of the higher levels or in the further days, if it breaks 630 and if it moves further, we can expect further up move in Tata Motors. Or else if it comes back and if it breaks this lower level which is around 610, we can see further downside in this Tata Motors. So one more thing is like Tata Motors is in completely uptrend mode and it's making one sideways movement. So by doing this, we can expect further upside movement in Tata Motors. And one more stock is SBIN. So here we are checking with weekly time frame. So as we can see here, one cup and handle formation which is happening SBIN. So according to this, see, one more thing is like it broke this resistance level. After that it made a retest and it's doing upside movement. So what we can expect from this is like whenever the cup and handle pattern forms, the length of the cup can be expected that much higher movement in this stock. So if you like this video, please share, do like and subscribe. See you next post market analysis. Thank you.